Hello guys, welcome to Always a Learner. We believe in good, better, best, never let it rest until your good is better and your better is best. So guys, welcome to the fresh and new episode of Tech Intimation. We are here with some latest tech news, so let's get started. So guys, the first update that we have is about Google. The US sued Google on accusing the $1 trillion company of illegally using its market muscle to hobble rivals in the biggest challenge to the power and the influence of big tech in decades. The Justice Department lawsuit could lead to the breakup of the iconic company that has become all by synonyms with the internet and assumed a central role in the day-to-day life of the billions of people around the globe. However, Google's breakup is far from assured and the case is likely to take years to resolve. Google called the lawsuit deeply flawed. Well, how will you feel if the search giant breaks up? Comment your views in the comment section. Next news that we have is from Netflix. Netflix shares slide after the US streaming television titan reported that the subscriber growth slowed in the recently ended quarter after booming in the early days of the pandemic. While Netflix added 28.1 million paying subscribers so far this year, only 2.2 million of them came in the third quarter. Netflix reported it has slightly more than 195 million subscribers. Production is back on track for hit shows like Stranger Things. Apple, Comcast and Disney have also taken on Netflix with streaming services. At number 3, we have news about Nokia 2V Tela. Nokia 2V Tela smartphone has been launched in the US as a Verizon exclusive. Nokia 2V Tela features Android 10 5.45 inches display and is powered with MediaTek Helio A22 processor accompanied with 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage. The phone is packed with 3000 mAh removable battery with support for 10-watt charging via USB-C port. There is 8 megapixel dual rear camera setup and a 5 megapixel front camera. The phone is priced at $168 in US and is available in single blue color variant. Listing further, we have news from Nokia. Nokia sought to enforce an injunction against Lenovo to block sales of its product in Germany after violation of video encoding patents. Lenovo has appealed against this in the Munich court ruling. Nokia launched its legal battle against Lenovo last year over alleged infringement of 20 patents. Nokia also said Lenovo has been unwilling to enter the discussions. Nokia has previously sued Apple for infringing its patents. Moving forward, the next update that we have is about Oppo A33. Oppo A33 is now officially launched in India and the phone features a 5000 mAh battery, Snapdragon 460 processor and 90Hz refresh rate display and a triple rear camera setup. The phone has been priced at 11,990 rupees for 3 GB and 32 GB storage option and will be available via offline store and Flipkart. Well, I think it is expensive. However, you get a 90Hz display and a 5000 mAh battery, but there isn't any other highlight of this phone which justify the price. Next news that we have is from Xiaomi. Following in the footsteps of Apple, but not quite, Xiaomi has also pledged to reduce the use of plastic in the packaging of its device. The difference being that Xiaomi is only talking about the tinking with the box and not its content. It will start with Mi 10T Lite, which will come in the packaging that uses 60% less plastic. Well, what do you think about this? Apple's initiative is somehow good, but write down your views in the comment section about both of these initiatives. At number 7, we have news again from Netflix. Netflix is planning to offer a free trial of its services to everyone in the country for a weekend. This will start in India. You can enjoy the Netflix originals. Netflix already has its 30-day free trial in place in India. However, it really discontinued that trial in US. Netflix aims to make new viewers familiar with its services through trial. This step is taken because of the decline in the subscribers. So guys, the last update that we have is from Amazfit. Amazfit Pop has been announced by the company in China as its latest budget-friendly smartwatch. The watch features 1.43 inches TFT display, Bluetooth 5.0 for connecting, Zepp app available on Android and iOS, and you also get NFC for connectivity. It also comes with 5 ATM rating for water resistance up to 50 meters. The Amazfit Pop features a 225 mAh battery with 9 days of battery life and many features like 24-hour heart rate monitoring and blood oxygen tracking. The Amazfit Pop is priced at 349 yuan in China, which is roughly equals to 3,900 rupees in India. There isn't any detail of global market launch. Let's see when it arrives outside China. So guys, that's all for today. We hope you really enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button and share this video with your family and friends. Please subscribe our channel for more such videos and don't forget to press the bell icon which won't let you miss any of the latest video. Also, join us on social media platform. The Instagram and Twitter handles are mentioned in the description. Please comment your views in the comment section which motivates us to improve. Your support is incredible. Thank you for watching. Never forget to smile.